Hi you guys. So I hope you're all having a great day, and today I got my Lush Cosmetics subscription box, and so now I'm going to open it. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I haven't looked at any spoilers or anything, so I have no idea what's in here. So it says fresh from the kitchen, and so let's see what we have. This looks interesting. So what is this? Oh, I like the covering for this box. It's upside down. That's cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh, stop. Are you kidding me? Oh, Tramp perfume. Okay, so short story here. I don't know how Lush knows this, but so as some of you know, I have all the perfumes that Lush has made, with the exception of some that I didn't like and I sold or gave away. And I don't have Tramp because I don't know what happened to it, but I have a feeling I gave it away or sold it, and I don't have one. And I was kicking myself, why did I get rid of that one of all perfumes? So now I got this awesome Tramp. For those of you who are new, is it was a classic Lush shower gel. And it was dark green, and it was made with patchouli, and to me it smelled like a dark green kind of fairy glade in the forest kind of scent. And yeah, so that's Tramp. So let's see. I'm seriously so excited. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. So we've got Lord of Misrule body lotion, and it looks like it might be green, which I would love. Ooh, what a gorgeous color. It has that wonderful Lord of Misrule vanilla, black pepper, and patchouli. Remember, there's patchouli in this Tramp perfume too. Next, oh, we got the Enchanter, the Lush Enchanter. This is the same scent as Colocus, all the Colocus things that Lush has made with neroli and lime and frankincense. And Lush has made 4 or 5 bath bombs with the scent of Colocus. Nowadays, they call Colocus scent zesty. Zesty. So for those of you that have seen my demo video and my photos of the Lush Enchanter from the past, you can see how gorgeous it is in the tub. I can't wait to use this new Enchanter. It says Lush Kitchen. I will do a demo video of this and upload it on YouTube. Oh my goodness. What is this? Look at this. It's a bubble bar. What? It smells green and citrusy. It's really nice. You guys would absolutely love this scent. It's citrusy, it's fresh smelling, it's not sweet. Okay, maybe it's a tiny bit sweet. I just love this. Oh my goodness. Remember Tweet? This is one of my favorite bubble bars. You guys have probably seen this bubble bar, but you don't recognize it. In my blog, I have a blog page called Lush Tweet Bubble Bar. It's one of my favorite bubble bars because of how dang cute it is, because it looks like Tweety Bird from Tweety and Sylvester cartoons. And this one is called Tweet, only it is green. And it looks like they're sending out black ones too. Awesome. So this has tangerine oil and citrus peel oil and candy eyes. This is awesome. Really cool. I love that it's a green color instead of the yellow. I love different things like that. I just, unexpected things. Oh, and here is the Something Wicked This Way Comes solid bath oil. I noticed a lot of you have been looking at my blog to see what the Something Wicked scent is like and what it looks like in the tub. And it usually has some pink and blue pieces in it. Pink and blue, but it has that gorgeous main color of purple. And it smells so good. It's subtly sweet, and this is made with fair trade organic cocoa butter, almond oil, ginger oil, jasmine absolute, and oak moss absolute. The oak moss gives it kind of a darker kind of scent, and the jasmine is a floral. And Something Wicked This Way Comes was named after the Ray Bradbury novel of the same name. And so there's a scent family of Something Wicked on my blog, and many of you have looked at that as well. So I'm very pleased about Something Wicked because I've always liked it. And I think that's it. Oh, nope, there's something else. Ectoplasm, which is one of my favorite citrus scents for Lush. So they made a small shower cream of ectoplasm, and now I know why many of you have been looking on my blog for ectoplasm. I couldn't understand why, and I figured, well, Lush has made the ectoplasm slime for this Halloween 2021. Maybe people are just wanting to see how that smells, but now I know why, because we got one in our kitchen box. I am just so excited about this, and let me put all of these packing peanuts back so I can take a final photo of everything in the box, visible so you can see. A lot of you have been asking me to let you know how I feel about each box, and I love this box. I would rate this box a 5 out of 5 rating, and here's why, in my opinion, okay? Not only do I like or love all the products in here, but this, so this spray perfume here, and this green Tweet bubble bar, I think they have black ones too. That's awesome. These make it a 5 out of 5 rating. A hard 5, like a high 5 out of 5 rating. So let's put these back so we can see. And this. Okay. So we've got 6 products. This one was sold in stores only as a limited edition for 1 year during Halloween during the mid-2000s. This one was sold in stores for just for a limited edition during the holiday. This one was sold in stores as a limited edition just for the holiday. And the Lord and Miss Rule body lotion has never been sold in stores. It was made one time only by the previous incarnation of the Lush kitchen around 2015 or 16, along with other lotions. And this tramp has been made before, the tramp perfume. It was only made twice for 1 day only online and only on the Lush UK site. Many years ago, I would call this a rare perfume. And Tweet has been made only as a limited edition for Easter for 1 year, but not in green or black. I would call this one rare too because of the color. It's really fun. So that is the Halloween 2021 Lush Kitchen subscription box. So I hope that was informative for you. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I've been demoing the Lush Christmas 2021 products here on my channel. Almost every day I upload a demo of one of the Christmas products. So thanks so much for watching them, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.